I'm here in Bimanbandar Thana. Look at this, 19 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's Thursday, 21 November. The sun is rising, right? How beautiful the view is. Do you know where I am? Look at this. This is the largest airport in Bangladesh. হযরত শাহজালাল International Airport formerly is the main international airport serving Dhaka city, the capital city of Bangladesh. And you can see it has an area of 1981 acres, okay? Right? And the owner is Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism. And the airport was opened 43 years ago in 1981. So my dear friends, did you know the airport was formerly known as Dhaka International Airport, later as Dia International Airport, before being named in honor of Shahjalal, who is one of the respected Sufi saints of Bangladesh. So now it is still, you can say, Hযরত Shahjalal International Airport. And this is the largest airport in Bangladesh. It is located at Kurmitola in Dhaka 1229, 17 kilometers from the city center in the northern part of Dhaka. It started operations in 1980, taking over from Tezgao Airport as the principal international airport of the country Bangladesh. Okay, airport is a place of crowd. Usually people come here to go abroad, you know, international and also domestic. So my dear wonderful video viewers and enthusiastic listeners, how are you feeling today? I hope you all are bright and shiny. Alhamdulillah, I am also super duper excited as I have come to visit হযরত শাহজালাল International Airport, Bangladesh. As you know, this is the place of emotion. At the same time, this is the place of happiness. When your family members or someone like your father or your brother or your husband comes to meet you or comes to visit you, at the time, how do you feel? Definitely feeling of happiness. And when someone leaves you, your friend, family member, relative, colleague or neighbor or anyone leaves you, definitely you feel sad. In Terminal 2, you can see the Bengali nameplate হযরত শাহজালাল আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দর Dhaka, and Terminal 1 English nameplate. Rakib, can you please show? Okay, Mehedi sir is fond of speaking in a public place. Whenever I face any new situation, I speak English. Can you speak English in a public place? This is kind of hurly-burly, right? Yes, it's hustle and bustle. So my dear friends, if you'd like to make videos with me, you have to meet me. I am residing at Mandra Green Model Town in Dhaka. Though right now I am making this video standing in front of হযরত শাহজালাল International Airport,